Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Tan, and today we are diving into a critical technology driving modern communication and electronics high-frequency PCBs. Curious about what makes them unique and where they are used? Stay with me and let's explore. So what exactly is a high-frequency PCB? Simply put, it's a specialized printed circuit board designed to operate at frequency typically above 1 GHz, where traditional PCBs struggle to maintain performance. High-frequency PCBs are built to ensure fast, stable, and low-cost signal transmission, which is critical for high-speed communication and cutting-edge electronic systems. Now you might wonder, how is a high-frequency PCB different from a standard PCB? Let me break it down for you. Materials. High-frequency PCB use advanced material like rogers, Teflon, or PTFE, which offer low dielectronic loss and better signal integrity. Standard PCBs often rely on FR4, which cannot handle high frequency as effectively. Performance. High-frequency PCBs reduce signal loss, minimize interference, and deliver excellent thermal stability, making them the go-to solution for demanding applications. Design complexity. Because of the need for exact impedance control, low signal loss, and good thermal management, making high-frequency PCBs is more difficult. Standard PCBs don't need to be designed with such strict care. Applications. While standard PCBs are used in everyday electronics, high-frequency PCBs are critical in high-performance fields like 5G communication, automotive radar systems, satellite technologies, and aerospace equipment. High-frequency PCBs are widely used in the most cutting-edge technology. For example, 5G communication. They power the base station and network equipment that brings you faster connections. Automatic radar. Essential for smart vehicles and autonomous driving. Satellite and aerospace, supporting long-distance, high-speed communications. Medical equipment, where precision and reliability are non-negotiable. Manufacturing high-frequency PCBs isn't easy. The process requires extreme precision from choosing the right materials, controlling impedance to ensure flawless signal performance. At POE, we specialize in delivering high-quality, high-frequency PCBs with rigorous quality control and cutting-edge equipment. So whether you are working on 5G technology, radar system, or satellite communications, we are here to help. If you need reliable high-frequency PCBs, contact us today. Let's bring your innovative ideas to life.